for the everyday movement of heavy work lifting, loading, stacking, and transporting materials with control. For the teams behind warehouses, yards, and job sites operators who need dependable lifting power and a machine that fits real schedules. In tight indoor aisles, at loading docks under constant time pressure, in outdoor yards where loads don't wait, anywhere materials need to move smoothly, safely, and repeatedly. In this video, we're looking at the Vigor lineup for electric forklifts built around compact strength and practical charging. Across the Vigor lineup, a full charge takes about 6 hours and delivers up to 10 hours of operation, and every model supports standard 110 volts charging, with the charger included. All 4 forklifts share the same core setup: a 500mm load center, 4,500mm max lift, a 3-stage mast at 1,600, 3,000, 4,500mm, and 1,400mm of free lift for low ceiling work. The difference is battery type and capacity, depending on the model. Vigor 1.5 runs a 60 volts 260 ampere-hour lithium battery, and Vigor 2.0, Vigor 2.5, and Vigor 3 use a 60 volts 250 ampere-hour lead-acid battery, the same power system across those 3 models. It weighs 2.4 tons, with a rated lifting capacity of 1,500 kilograms, a compact machine built to handle serious lifting for its size, and it rides on a 1,580mm wheelbase for stability. It weighs 6,170 pounds, rated to lift 4,400 pounds, built for heavier day-to-day handling. Wheelbase 1,740mm for stable performance under load. It weighs 6,613 pounds, with a rated lifting weight of 5,511 pounds, compact size, more lifting capacity. Wheelbase 1,820mm for stability. It weighs 7,500 pounds, with a rated lifting weight of 6,600 pounds, built for bigger loads and tougher workdays. Wheelbase 1,950mm for stability you can feel. Vigor electric forklifts, built for the work behind the work.